I'm Stephen Jack Putella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt, and we are the co-founders of Land Academy. We're here to talk for a few minutes with you about the power of a community, specifically the Land Academy community.
You know, no one's got a community like ours. The Land Academy community is not only unique to the land investment business, I think it's unique to all businesses.
I think you're right. You know, and it's been going on since 2015. So gosh, we're going on 8-9 years now. And the reason we have it is because of you. Our members asked for a way to connect with us and a way to connect with their peers. And it is the most comprehensive online investment, land specifically focused community that exists.
We are in the people business. The power of this community is the people and speeding up the learning curve and getting the answers that you need in real time.
Yep, 24/7 interaction. It's funny. Remember the 4 a.m. club? We realized a couple years ago that we had several people that were all joining in at 4 a.m., whatever time zone they were in, because that was when they would connect and work together and help each other to get deals done.
There's thousands of topics in there at any given time and a great search function to get answers quickly on anything that you need, no matter where you are in your career, 10 days in or 10 years in.
That's one of the big things. Yeah. I constantly see people, getting questions from, answered from much more experienced investors and then turning around and helping other less experienced investors along their journey.
Hey, there's a ton of money in there. If you need to get your deals funded, there's people in this group, their checkbooks open, and their people get their good land acquisitions funded every day.
Our checkbook's open too.
Yeah. We're really proud of this thing. That's the truth of it. We are involved every day. I'm proud that Jill and I started it so many years ago, and then it's been successful and it's free.
And if you want to check it out, go to landacademy.com. You can find our Discord community in the read-only format and just kind of have a sneak peek to what's really going on behind the scenes with our group.
We are Jack and Jill. Information
and inspiration
to buy undervalued property.